Hey there, today we have an interesting problem to tackle. So, imagine you wrote a memory allocator to use with standard containers, but every time you try to remove an element from std list, the program crashes at that specific line. You even tried using malloc and free just to see what happens, and surprise, it crashed too. Quite a frustrating problem, right? Now, diving into the solution we discussed. The crux of the issue lies in the operator equals of your allocator. According to the allocator requirements, two allocator objects should compare equal only if memory allocated by one can safely be deallocated by the other. Your current implementation falls short in achieving this. As an example, when you copy one allocator object to another, they should compare equal afterwards. Seems like a small detail, but it's crucial in avoiding crashes. Considering this crucial aspect, let's focus on the code snippet where we create two allocator objects, A and B, using the copy constructor. Even if the copy constructor does nothing, the allocator objects A and B are still seen as different due to their addresses. This discrepancy in comparison leads to the crash when trying to remove an element from a list. To ensure smooth operations, ensuring equality between allocator objects is key. To wrap it up, ensuring that your allocator's operator equals simply returns true will resolve the crashing issue. By allowing any instance of our allocator to deallocate memory from another, the operations such as std list, remove will work seamlessly. Always remember, the devil is in the details. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Keep coding and stay curious.